on, Tux. Let's go get your breakfast. I'm managing to stay upright this morning long enough to get the cats fed, although Dawn... Tuxie, come on, bud. Come on, Tuxie. Bud. Come on, Tux. Come on, Tuxie. Come on. I don't have my normal booming New Jersey mom on the sideline rooting for you to hit a home run voice this morning. So we'll go easy on the mama, okay? Dawn's definitely taking Johnny to school. I'm gonna stay here and probably go back to sleep, or at least lie down and be still. It's quite cool out here this morning, almost chilly to me. Stripe says it's too early for him. He's on sick time. He'll eat a little later. He just snoozing still. I'm making an effort this morning, 1 foot in front of the other, till my babies are taken care of. Although, like I said, Dawn did offer. I don't know who'll pick Johnny up today. We'll play that by ear for now. Dawn doesn't have conference calls, so he can if I need him to.
Well, I dropped Johnny off at school. It was pretty much uneventful today. There was an accident at the coming into Fuquay on the way back. But getting into school was no problem this morning. I should have probably videoed more, so y'all see. But Johnny and I just talked about battle bots and electric motors and stuff like that on the way in today. I'm gonna go back, get to work here, and then I'll go pick him up. I have to leave here about 11:15, I believe. I'll try to do better and get some video on the way in. I didn't do so good this morning. I guess I was on autopilot this morning.
Well, I'm super frustrated because I feel like I'm losing a day of my life. I know people would just kill to just sit and not have to do anything, but I'm not enjoying it. I've still got a little bit of a fever, and if I get up to do anything, I'm super tired right away. And I've watched Olympus Has Fallen and London Has Fallen, and now I'm going to watch Greenland, so I'm sort of on a Gerard Butler kick. Gotta watch something that you're familiar with, so when you fall asleep, fever in the middle of it, you're not too lost.
Yeah.
There's new Pokemon out there spawning. There's a new research task that requires me to walk 2K. It's got 5 days, though. It started at 10 a.m. this morning. But it's like I want to play my Pokemon, and I can't even do that. So I'm just so frustrated. Tomorrow had better be better. That's all I got to say. It better be better.
Yeah.
And Dawn's headed downtown to get Johnny. I was hoping I would feel up to going and driving Ruby today, and I just don't feel up to it. I could drive to the environmental park and be safe, but I don't think I could drive downtown and back. So anyway, I'm here, but I'm not doing a whole lot today. I'm not even working on my Legos.
Well, I'm sure everybody wants Kitten to get all better.
Yeah, I don't mean to be whiny, but I'm not a good patient. I'm not at all. Dawn is just like, just let me over here. You don't got to do anything for me. And I'm just not that way.
Yeah. Well, we all love you.
Kiss you.
I'll be back in a bit. So I got here. Johnny wasn't out front, but I texted him, and he said he's ready now. So I'm going to go pick him up. Uneventful drive. It's a really nice day. I guess it was good to get out of the office, aka work, but we'll see. Hopefully, oh, there he is. I hadn't seen him, so we can pick him up here. And there he is.
I'm out here on the front porch for a few minutes with Tux, Panther, and Gray. Poor guys, they're missing their mama. And Johnny, we haven't been out to give him as much attention the last couple days because we've been feeling so poorly. I came and sat over here and called Tux, and he come a-running. One thing I can do is sit and rub on the kitties a little bit. So Morris is over by the van. He's up on the above the lattice work on the little tabletop there, or in with the clematis vine and the planter. I hadn't seen Stripe, but he's likely over there with Morrison. Marty was at my feet a minute ago, but he got hot. Tux's fur, oh my goodness. It's not very warm out here, but Tux's black fur in the sun, woo, he's hot. Well, we're going to pick Johnny up from Taekwondo. I finally broke down and took a couple of Excedrin to try to bring the fever down, which has been a little over 100 all afternoon, so it actually went up today. And the highest it's been so far was 100.3. And Dawn cooked me a steak. I felt like eating, so I did. I had a steak and a little bit of egg casserole, and it's either now or never on spinning a Pokestop for the day, so yeah, I'm along for the ride. I think after I ate yesterday and today, I felt a little bit better for a little while until the nighttime not feel good kicked back in.
Right. Well, hopefully she'll keep feeling better. She didn't take my advice and kick butt today.
No, but I did rest the whole day. Yeah. I didn't get up off the couch except to sit with the cats for a few minutes and to use the restroom.
She did the best Mr. Don imitation I've ever seen.
Yeah. Like one day out of the year I don't get off the couch. Well, maybe 2 or 3, but you know what I'm saying, it's pretty rare. Oh, it was worth coming out just to look at the sunset. Probably looks better in person, but
yeah, well, it's got a really nice orange glow.
Yeah.